This is the Honor X9C, and Honor says this is the most durable phone ever. After hearing this, I was like, okay, let me put that to the test, man. I mean, any normal person would do the same, right? So I'm going to be doing a drop test, a water splash test, and I'm even going to be hammering a nail with this phone. Let's see if it will survive. So first up, we have the drop test. We're going to be dropping the phone about 5 times on tiles. Let's see how it will cope. After 5 drops, the phone is still fine. There are no cracks on the screen, which is impressive so far, I must say. But I want to do one last one just to see if it's really true. Let's see. Woo! Now let's move over to the water splash test. This phone has an IP65 water resistant rating, which means it can withstand a continuous splash of water from a tap. It also has a 3-layer water resistant structure that protects your phone from 360-degree spray, so submerging it underwater for a short period of time shouldn't be a problem. As you can see, guys, the screen still works perfectly fine. The phone is still weight itself, but yeah, it's really impressive how it's surviving this. Finally, guys, the hammer test. I'll be using this nail and the screen as the hammer to see if it will break, man. Let's see. This is gonna be crazy. This is awkward. Oh my days. That's crazy. So as you can see, guys, the screen is actually intact and there is no scratch whatsoever on the screen, which is just mind-blowing, man. I cannot believe this. I must say I'm quite surprised the phone survived my extreme durability test. So now that we're here, we might as well just talk about the specs a bit. So where do we start? I'm thinking display. We have a 6.78-inch AMOLED display that refreshes at 120 Hz. The processor is the Snapdragon 6 Gen 1, the same one found on last year's X9B, which is kind of disappointing, but the focus here is durability, so I get it. The memory is good though. We have 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. Now this is more like with Honor. It has a good camera setup as well. We have a dual rear camera setup that features a 108 megapixel main camera and a 5 megapixel wide camera. For those who love selfies, we have a 60 megapixel camera. What surprised me the most though is the 6600 mAh silicon carbon battery in this phone that supports 66 watts charging. Honor claims this phone lasts 3 days, which I can confirm in a future video, but I haven't tested this phone for long enough to confirm that is true. So stay tuned for that video where I do a battery test on this phone. I love the colorway on this. I've got mine in Jade Cyan. To simplify it for you, we'll just call this light green. I mean, bro, why complicate simplicity? But anyways, who is this phone made for? This phone is made for people who want to drop their phones a million times, take it for a dive, and use it as a hammer here and there. That would be crazy though, but yeah, jokes aside, guys, this phone is made for people who value durability above all, want a bit of performance for everyday tasks like gaming and social media, for example, a goodish camera for social media, some AI features here and there, and let's not forget the amazing battery that this phone has. So if you think about it, I would say construction workers, outdoor enthusiasts, clumsy people, parents with kids who love throwing things, this phone is made for you. Trust me. That's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, make sure to check out my other videos. Peace out.